Fibonacci levels are often used to mark areas where price may react during a retracement or extension. On TradingView, those levels can also be used as alert points, which makes them easier to monitor without keeping the chart open all the time. After applying a Fibonacci retracement to the chart, the key levels appear across the selected price move. These levels can then be used as reference points for an alert. For example, a trader may want to know when price returns to the 38.2% level, the 50% level, or the 61.8% level. The alert is created directly from the Fibonacci drawing. By opening the drawings menu and selecting Add Alert, TradingView uses that specific Fibonacci tool as the alert source. This means the alert is linked to the drawing itself, rather than a separate horizontal line or manual price level. From the alert window, the condition controls how the alert behaves. Crossing can be used when price moves through a selected Fibonacci level. Crossing up focuses only on upward movement through that level, while crossing down focuses only on downward movement. Other conditions, such as greater than or less than, can be used when the alert needs to respond to price being above or below a chosen level. The level being monitored can be selected from the Fibonacci values on the drawing. This is useful when only one specific retracement or extension level matters for the analysis. The same idea also applies to trend-based Fibonacci extension drawings, where alerts can be linked to extension levels instead of retracement levels. Once the alert settings are confirmed, TradingView monitors that Fibonacci level in the background. The alert can then notify the user when price reaches or crosses the selected area, depending on the condition used. This can be helpful when Fibonacci levels form part of a wider charting process. Instead of checking the same chart repeatedly, the alert can highlight when price has returned to an area worth reviewing. As with any drawing tool, Fibonacci alerts are best used as part of a broader analysis. They can help track important levels, but the alert itself does not confirm direction, entry quality, or risk. The wider market context, price action, and risk management should still guide any trading decision,